When diagnosed with mesothelioma, finding the right attorney to represent you in a legal claim is critically important. Mesothelioma is a rare form of cancer that is directly linked to exposure to asbestos. Common exposures occurred in industrial settings like shipyards where workers handled asbestos or worked near where it was used. Asbestos was commonly used as an insulator and fireproofing material for decades before its health risks were known. Some of the top mesothelioma lawyers in North Carolina who have significant experience handling these types of cases and have obtained successful outcomes for their clients include the following. Van Cederer, II of Simon Greenstone Panettiere, is one of the top mesothelioma attorneys in North Carolina. Based in Raleigh, Mr. Durer has over 30 years of experience handling mesothelioma and asbestos-related cancer cases. He has obtained hundreds of millions in compensation for his clients. Mr. Durer is an Avenue Preeminent Rated Attorney, the highest rating given by Martindale-Hubbell for legal ability and ethical standards. He is a member of the Mesothelioma litigation groups of the North Carolina Association of Defense Attorneys and the American Association for Justice. Mr. Durer has the resources to travel anywhere in the country to meet with potential clients and thoroughly investigate asbestos exposures. His firm has a dedicated team of paralegals, nurses, and investigators specifically focused on mesothelioma cases. Gordon E. Woodard of Woodard, Emhart, Henshaw, and McCutcheon LLP is another top choice for mesothelioma representation in North Carolina. Based in Asheville, Mr. Woodard focuses his practice exclusively on asbestos litigation. He has over 30 years of experience successfully handling mesothelioma and asbestos cancer claims. Mr. Woodard has served as lead counsel on numerous asbestos cases in North Carolina state and federal courts. He has recovered hundreds of millions for his clients. Mr. Woodard is a member of the North Carolina Association of Defense Attorneys Products Liability Section. He is also a member of the American Association for Justice and has earned an Avenue Preeminent rating from Martindale-Hubbell. John D. Burns of Moore and Van Allen PLLC is one of the top mesothelioma litigators in Charlotte, North Carolina. With over 30 years of experience, Mr. Burns has successfully represented hundreds of clients in litigation matters involving asbestos claims and mesothelioma. He understands the complex medical and scientific issues involved in proving asbestos causation for mesothelioma cases. Mr. Burns has recovered substantial compensation for his clients from many of the main asbestos companies. He is a past president of the North Carolina Advocates for Justice and is an active member in several national associations focused on asbestos litigation education. Mr. Burns maintains an Avenue Preeminent rating from Martindale-Hubbell, demonstrating his peers rank him at the highest level of professional excellence. Travis Sapp of the Sapp Law Firm, PLLC is a top mesothelioma attorney based in Greensboro, North Carolina. Prior to founding his own firm, Mr. Sapp worked as a partner at Parker Poe, where he represented asbestos victims across North Carolina. He has over 15 years of experience handling mesothelioma claims and is a dedicated advocate for asbestos victims and their families. Mr. Sapp is a Superior Court and Federal Court mediator, bringing additional skills to help resolve complicated cases. He maintains a strong network of medical experts to assist with causation issues in mesothelioma cases. Mr. Sapp is a member of the North Carolina Advocates for Justice, where he serves on the Asbestos Litigation Group panel and is devoted to upholding the rights of those with asbestos diseases. Jason C. Mears of McCangus Law Concree is an exceptionally qualified mesothelioma attorney based in Charlotte. He has achieved numerous multi-million-dollar recoveries for victims exposed to asbestos. Mr. Mears focuses his practice on mesothelioma and other asbestos-related conditions. With over 25 years of experience handling complex litigation, he has the skills to thoroughly investigate a client's asbestos exposures and build a strong case. Mr. Mears maintains excellent professional ratings through Martindale-Hubbell and is an active member of the North Carolina Advocates of Justice and Association of Trial Lawyers of America. He works aggressively to obtain the highest compensation available for clients diagnosed with mesothelioma. Woodard, Emhart, Henshaw, Morrison, & Co., LLP based in Asheville, North Carolina is a top law firm choice for mesothelioma representation in Western North Carolina. In addition to partner Gordon Woodard mentioned above, other experienced attorneys at the firm include Alan Hostetler and Christopher Klein. The firm limits its practice to representing plaintiffs in asbestos litigation matters. They have handled hundreds of cases for individuals exposed to asbestos through their work, achieving significant compensation for clients. The attorneys at Woodard, Emhart are members of national associations focused on asbestos law and stay current on the latest developments impacting claims. They have an established network of medical experts to assist with causation evidence in mesothelioma cases. Vance E. Thurer II of Simon Greenstone Panettiere, P.C. 1809 Church Street, Raleigh, North Carolina 27609. Phone 919-600-9000. Gordon E. Woodard of Woodard, Emhart, Hinshaw and McCutcheon, LLP. 1 Battle Square, Asheville, North Carolina 28801. Phone 828-254-4515. John D. Burns of Moore and Van Allen PLLC. 100 North Tryon Street, Suite 4700. Charlotte, North Carolina 28202. Phone 704-331-1000. Travis Sapp of the Sapp Law Firm, PLLC. 4107 C Northwest Frederick Road, Greensboro, North Carolina 27407. Phone 336-486-1402. Jason C. Mears of Makangascod Lock and Crate, PLLC. P.O. Box 30516. Charlotte, North Carolina 28230. Phone 704-379-5150. Woodard, Emhart, Hinshaw and Morrison LLP. 1 Battle Square, Asheville, North Carolina 28801. Phone 828-254-4515. These experienced North Carolina mesothelioma attorneys and law firms have extensive experience successfully representing asbestos victims and achieving substantial compensation in mesothelioma litigation. They have proven records of obtaining maximum compensation available under the law. Their expertise, devotion to client needs, and strong reputation make any of these recommended lawyers excellent choices if you or a loved one needs help pursuing a legal claim after a mesothelioma diagnosis related to asbestos exposure. Consulting with the top mesothelioma attorney is crucial to understand all legal rights and options following this difficult diagnosis.